Hi and welcome to Explorcation. We're Jamie and Skylar, and today we're taking you on the Outcroppings, Exclamation Point, and Skyline trails at Chimney Rock State Park. Along the way, we stop at 4 viewpoints, including Chimney Rock, Exclamation Point, Peregrines Point, and Hickory Nut Falls. The Outcroppings Trail is a series of stairs and boardwalks that lead to Chimney Rock. At the time of our visit, the entrance fee for the park was $17 for adults and $8 for kids. In order to access the Outcroppings Trail, there are two options. You can hike from the main parking lot along the Four Seasons Trail, or you can take the bus to the gift shop area. We decided to take the bus, and once we made it to the Outcroppings Trail, it was a good decision that we did because we got to experience the joy of climbing over 500 stairs to Chimney Rock. While the view from Chimney Rock is quite nice, we actually preferred the view of Chimney Rock from above, which is accessed by another series of stairs along the Exclamation Point Trail. The Exclamation Point Trail climbs approximately 200 feet above the chimney and is full of stairways and switchbacks. And here is the view of Chimney Rock from the Exclamation Point Trail. We do want to share that Chimney Rock State Park was only one of our stops during a week-long hiking trip around North Carolina. We are working on vlogs from this trip along with additional hiking videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so you won't miss an episode. Eventually, the stairs and switchbacks end and the trail opens up to Exclamation Point. The view of all the surrounding peaks is worth the effort to get there. Exclamation Point Trail does meet up with the Skyline Trail. If you are interested in this trail, make sure you get there before the entrance closes. When we visited, we had to start the trail by 5 p.m. to ensure we were back by 7 p.m. There were staff who monitored the entrance, so if you're considering hiking the Skyline Trail, make sure to get there early. The Skyline Trail offered a wide and clearly defined path. This trail was much less busy than the Outcroppings Trail and Exclamation Point Trail. The path eventually opened up to Peregrines Point, which is another great lookout and a nice area to sit down and have a snack. The last leg of the Skyline Trail was very peaceful. We saw a few other hikers along the way and really enjoyed seeing the changing leaves in Chimney Rock State Park. Once we made it to the stream, we knew we were close to the waterfall. Skylar chose to take the path through the water, while I opted for the path balancing on a fallen tree. The Skyline Trail ended with a peaceful view of Hickory Nut Falls. Thanks so much for staying with us until the end of our hike at Chimney Rock State Park. We hope you join us on our next adventures in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee.